Well, the markets are trading well in the green, but a couple of stocks are moved to the day's low. One such stock is Balrampur Chini. Sudip, what's your view on this one? That debate out there, cyclical, not cyclical, ethanol play, things are going to turn around. The sugar element is still there, right? The stock from around 530 to around 340, all this in a matter of around 4 months. Your view on the stock from here?
Well, Nigel, I think this sector, this segment will always remain volatile. But what has fundamentally changed is that ethanol blending policy has brought in some semblance of regularity in their business cycle. Earlier, it used to be peaks and troughs. Now, I think it will be still more manageable with more and more ethanol blending actually happening. Of course, the business will get impacted by the global production and global demand and issues around that. And the prices also, to a great extent, gets determined by what's happening in the global markets. So volatility, yes, will be there, but somebody is a long-term bet on commodities and somebody likes sugar. I think there is absolutely no problem in acquiring Balrampur Chini, taking the benefit of this correction, which we are witnessing in the recent past. But remember, it has to be given 1 year so that one full cycle happens before they can expect a good return and exit.
Okay, by the way, just look at ABB's intraday chart. That stock, it's actually done really well in the last few days. Ever since its numbers, there it is, FNO stock now, so 7% higher on that stock. Just pull out a slightly longer performance. There it is. I think that's when the numbers came. The dip that you are seeing is when the stock fell in line with when Siemens fell after its numbers. But after that, it's just one-way rally that we've seen. Sudip, any view on ABB?
Well, I liked Anuj these capital goods stocks because pretty much everybody is of the firm view that finally, after probably a 10-year period, we are getting into a zone where capex will be there, private as well as public, and this is energizing. But the Siemens results kind of shook that belief, and there were some question marks. But yes, ABB's numbers prove that things are looking up. And the way we look at it, I think even Siemens, ABB, and of course L&T we believe in, all these stocks are going to be good long-term bets at current levels. They had seen the worst. We haven't seen any good thing out of these companies for a very long time. But I think their time is now coming.
Okay, Sudip, we'll leave it there today. Thanks a lot for joining us. Before we start wrapping up the market action for the day,